Assalamu alaikum dear students. Our today's topic is census method and sampling method, or you can say census survey and sampling survey. It is our second lecture of HSC part first. In the earlier lecture, in the first lecture, we have discussed about the meaning of primary data and secondary data, and we have also discussed the basic difference there. Today we are going to discuss the meaning. What do you mean by census survey and sampling survey, or what is the difference between census method and sampling method? First we will know the meaning of the both methods, and then we will go to the basic difference between the two. First we will take census method or census survey. When we are doing any sort of survey by this method, each and every unit of the universe is taken into consideration. This method is used where the units of the universe are heterogeneous, or you can say where the units of the universe are not identical. So, census method is a method in which all the population of the universe is taken into consideration. For example, if you want to carry out a survey, if you want to carry out a study to find out the feedback of the students of your college about the basic facilities available in the college. In this way, each and every student, or you can say all the students of your college, form a part of the population for your study. This is how we can say that census method is used where the units of the universe are heterogeneous and all the units of the universe are taken into consideration while doing any sort of survey by this method. Now we are coming towards the sampling method. This method is contrary to this census method. The survey taken under consideration in this method is completely different from that of census method. In the sampling method, unlike to that of census method, each and every unit of the universe is not taken into consideration, but only some selected representative units are taken into consideration, and the results of the whole universe which is under survey is studied on the basis of those representative units. So the difference here is sampling survey or sampling method refers to a method in which the survey is done on the basis of selective units, and the results of the whole universe under consideration is drawn on the basis of those representative units. This method is useful and is used in a universe where the units of the universe are homogeneous, or you can say identical. Now we are coming towards the basic difference. Just like we had done in the last lecture, the basic difference between primary and secondary data, in the similar way, we are going to understand what is the basic difference between census survey and sampling survey, or you can say census method and sampling method. We have the basic difference here in a chart. Census method in the column first, basic difference in the column second, sampling method in the column third. We are going to make the difference between these two surveys, between these two methods on the basis of 6 important points. Here in this survey, information is means in the census method the information is. Here in this survey, information is sampling survey. I mean say how the information is collected. Point number 1, definition. We are going to make the difference between the sampling and the census survey between the census method and the sampling method on the basis of definition. Go through the meaning. Collected means the information in the census method is collected from each and every unit of the universe, each and every unit of the population, you can say. On the other hand, the information is collected in the sampling method, collected from some selected units of the population. Here we are taking only some representative units into consideration. This is the difference between the two on the basis of definition. Second difference is on the basis of expenditure, or you can say expensive. I mean say which one of them is more expensive and which is less expensive. When we are making the difference, point number second on the basis of expensive, we can say census method is expensive and time consuming. It needs more time, more labor, and it is more expensive as compared to that of sampling method. And here it is less expensive and less time consuming. Means sampling method needs less time, less energy, less labor, so it is less expensive than that of sampling method. Third difference is on the basis of suitability. I mean to say which one is more suitable. On the basis of suitability, it is suitable where the field investigation is small. Means census method is more suitable when the area under consideration, when the universe under consideration, when the population under survey is small. When there is a small size, it is more suitable in a universe where the field investigation is small. On the other hand, it is suitable where the field investigation is large. Means sampling method is more suitable where the field investigation is large. Now accuracy. Fourth point is accuracy. We are again going to make the difference between the census and the sampling method on the basis of accuracy. See here, it is more accurate and reliable. I mean say it is, I am here using it in place of census method. Census survey or census method is more accurate and reliable. On the other hand, sampling method is less accurate and less reliable. This is the difference on the basis of accuracy. The results of the census method are accurate and reliable, and the results of the sampling method are less accurate and less reliable. Now, nature of items, you can make the difference between the census survey and the sampling survey, census method and the sampling method on the basis of nature of items. This method is particularly suitable where the units of the universe are heterogeneous. I mean to say, I have discussed in the meaning also, census method is more useful. It is more suitable on a universe, in a size of population where the units of the population are not identical. They are heterogeneous. Contrary to this nature of items here, sampling survey or sampling method is more suitable. This method is particularly suitable where the units of the universe are homogeneous. They are not heterogeneous. They are identical. I mean to say, sampling survey is more suitable, particularly in a universe where the units of the universe are identical, or you can say homogeneous. And the last difference is nature of method. In this difference, we are saying this method is old method and is known as unscientific. I mean to say, census method is an old method and it is known as unscientific. On the other hand, on the basis of nature of method, sampling method is a new method and it is known as a scientific method. This is all about the difference between the census survey and the sampling survey or you can say census method and the sampling method. Thank you very much.